Hello everyone. It's a beautiful day. So far it's not as hot, but it will, I bet. Usually by lunchtime it's pretty warm. In case you didn't watch my garden update, there's Adam and his new wife. Hi guys. Hello there. Oh, hello there. Hope y'all are doing okay today. Yeah, we're doing fine. Great. Butterfly flitting around. There's usually a lot of those white butterflies. They might be coming this way. They usually come up to the garden. Uh-oh, a bird just swooped down over there. I hope it didn't get our little friend there. That's what those bluebirds do, though. I think my bird feeder and bird food is supposed to come today. If I can figure out a way to attach it to this pole. Any ideas, anyone? Almost at where that little white spot is at the top, right around there is just a little hole. There's not one on the other side of it or anything. There's just a little hole right there. I'm just wondering, anything I could do short of having to drill a hole in that thing. Who knows how? I'm just trying to figure it out. I'm thinking out loud, I guess. But once we get that up there, it's closer to me sitting here than this pole is, and I wouldn't want to put anything on that gas light. But this one's closer. I think y'all will be able to see the birds better on this one. I'm excited about it. I want to feed the birds. They need food. I don't think as many people do that as did at one time. Oh boy, there's that hawk again. I know y'all can't see it, but it's up there at that telephone pole again. That is not a crow. There's no way, because the sun just shined on it, and you could tell it was like a brown color. It's big too. Oh gosh, I wish it would take off, y'all, and fly so I could show you. And I wish I could zoom in too. It is big. It's on that telephone pole back there, or not telephone pole, power pole. And there's an arm that goes to the right, about the midway up that tree there. On the end of that pole, he's sitting there looking at everything. He likes it because it's way up in the air. And he'll just swoop down on whatever he sees he wants. Wow, he's just having fun in the sun there. He just looks like he's grooming himself some. The way he's moving. Like he's picking at his feathers. Gosh, I wish y'all could see it like I do. If I had my binoculars out here, I'd like to use them to see it better. Oh, it'd be awesome if he'd take off. I'll keep my eye on him for a minute and see if he's a big boy. I had to go ahead and do my garden update before this because when it gets warm, everything starts looking a little peaked. I just watered them some, but it still beats down on them pretty bad. Especially the cucumbers wilt. Then once the shade hits them of the evening, they are fine. But make sure if you're watering your garden with tap water that you let it fill up a couple gallon jugs or whatever and let them sit for 24 hours so that the chlorine and the different things that's in it will dissipate. Because it's not good for them. Then I just, as I empty one, I fill one back up. So I always have one that's ready to go. I think we're going to be able to get that zucchini today, the biggest one. I'll figure out something to use it with. Oh, what bird was that? It just went in this bush down here. Oh, I'd like to see what that is. Let's see, y'all. It's got a nest in there, I'll bet you anything. It went inside this bush. I usually don't do this, but I want to see what that is. It was pretty good sized. It'll probably take off as I get closer here. See it moving? Let's see if we can see what it is. There it goes. It looked like a blue jay, y'all. I'm wondering if there's a... I'm wondering if there's a nest in here. I don't see one. This would be a good place for one, though. As thick as this is, they get back in there. Oh, yeah. I think when Scott was trimming this, some eggs fell out. Of course, he didn't know. I'm pretty sure, so there probably is a nest somewhere in here. Because I remember him saying, I think it was this bush, that some eggs fell out. So they're probably still hanging around. He didn't know, you know, I mean, the bush was overgrown. It had to be trimmed. I usually don't walk around, but it's kind of nice walking around too. See if, I hope I didn't lose my Wi-Fi out here. See if it's still going. Huh. My Wi-Fi must be stronger this morning for me to walk all the way out there. I didn't even think about it cutting it off. Do y'all's speeds vary a lot on your internet? Seems like ours does. Well, y'all, it's getting warm out here, so I guess I'll go in and get in front of the fan. I wish our AC did work. That unit there, it does the heating and the AC. And it's just ancient, y'all. I mean ancient. And the AC quit on it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I wish I could sit here long enough to see that hawk take off. But obviously he likes it there because he was there the other morning I was showing y'all. He's just, sitting there in the sun, cleaning himself and stuff. He'll eventually take off, but who knows when. Probably he won't do anything until he sees something he wants to eat for breakfast. Okay, y'all. I'll see you later on today. I don't know what we're going to get into. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.